In this video we are going to take a look at subcircuits and TTY. So first of all, let's see how to create a subcircuit. Subcircuit is something that helps you to simplify the circuit. So in order to create that, you have to go to project and then add circuit and give a name for this, or you can click this plus sign. This is also the same thing, and then give a name for this. In this one I'm gonna give it an AND gate, because I'm gonna see how can I modify an AND gate and how to create an AND gate. So first let's say I'm grabbing an AND gate right here, and I can make it whatever the input I want. So in this case, let's say I want to create a 2 input AND gate. Okay, so here we have 2 input AND gate, and then attach an input, and then an output. Okay, and we know that AND gate turns on when both of them are 1, and if any of them 0, it turns off. Okay, now what you have to do is we just go to, so here you see the magnifying glass. This is the page we are in right now. So in order to go to the main page, you have to double click it. Click twice I mean with this one, I guess. No, okay, it's better to use with the mouse because I was using a pen. With the mouse, double click it and it changes like this. So here now in order to bring the AND gate, I click this subcircuit I created in the name and then put it right here. Now we get the AND gate like this. So to check the behavior, you can attach 2 input and an output, and see is it exactly behaving like an AND gate. So you know the AND gate only turns on when both of them are 1, so it turns on like that, and if any of them 0, it turns off. So this is an AND gate. Now this AND gate you can design whatever the way you want. So to design that, what you do is you click the one next to, you see there are 3 square shapes kind of thing, and after that you see this one. So here's the one you adjust the shape. So make sure you are in the AND gate page. So you have to see the magnifying glass in the AND gate, and then in the top you click this one, and then here you can modify the shape. So here currently it's a square. You can change the shape to something else as well, like you can put this shape and get rid of this, or you can put a round shape. You can design the way, whatever the way you want it to look. So I put 2 input like this. This square shapes are input, and then this one, the round shape, is the output, and these 2 are unnecessary. You can just leave it in the middle right here. Okay, it doesn't matter how it looks, you just put it in the middle, and this one also unnecessary. So now this is the shape, and also you can label this one using this clicking this A and putting it here. You can label this one, so I can put it AND gate, and you can change the font of this. So first you click the arrow sign, and then you can move wherever you want, and then here you see the font, and you can change it to whatever the font you want. So if I just select random and OK, it changes to according to that. And now if I go to main, you see it's already changed to whatever the AND gate. So now let's erase all these things, and if you click the AND gate from this one, you get the new shape, whatever the shape you design. And if you again check the behavior, it's going to be the AND gate, but it's in a different shape. So you can shape whatever the circuit you have in a different way and make it very simple by using this subcircuit. Okay, now the next thing we are going to look at is TTY. TTY is right here. And TTY is like a, this one outputs the random numbers, I mean ASCII codes, because this is 7-bit and it outputs the ASCII codes. So whatever the number you input, it converts this one into ASCII code and give it as an output. So here in order to check that, you can put the random number generator, which is in the memory, I think. Yeah, it's in the memory, random number generator, and you connect that one with this, and you see that there's a bit different, because the random number generator is in 8-bit and this is in 7-bit, because this is like, this one displays the ASCII code numbers. ASCII code numbers are, each numbers are 7 bits, so that's why this is in 7 bits. So you have to input the 7-bit number. So in order to change the bits, you click this one and make this one a 7-bit as well. So that way you remove the difference. Otherwise this is going to be incompatible. So you make the random number generator to be 7 bits, and then after that, in order to generate some random numbers, you add a clock to this and attach that one with here, at the same time here as well. Okay, now in order to generate random, Control plus K, that will trigger the clock and you will get something, but these are not random numbers. Okay, the mistake is I connected in the wrong place. I should connect it in the you always have to connect this triangle shape. So this triangle and this triangle, I connected in the wrong place, that's why. Now if I press Ctrl plus K, now you see I get the random numbers right here. And you can change the frequency of this one by going to the tick frequency and change it to whatever the fast you want it to generate. So if it's 16 Hertz, it's going to be slow. If you put it 64, it's going to be very fast, and stuff like that. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.